In this video, I'll show you how you can add gradient color in Canva. Now, the first way you can do is simply search for a gradient, and you can just select a pre-made gradient on the photos, as you can see here. However, if you want to add your own color, what you can do is, first I'll show you how to do it on either one of the elements, and I'll also show you how you can do it with the text. So if you have one of these, simply press here and select color and select gradient. Then select the gradient colors you want it to be, and you can add new ones, and they'll even give you different styles that you want the gradient to be. Now, if you want to do it on a text, what you should do is head over to apps and type in type gradient, select this one and type what you want it to be. So let's just say YouTube. And you can select which font you want. So I'll just select this one. Come here and select your colors like this. And you can even select middle colors if you want, like this. And once you've done that, you'll be able to see how it looks up here. You can change the gradient. So let's say I want to do like this. Add to the sign, and you'll have it right here. So that's how you can do it with the elements and also with the text. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.